Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a silver exterior, and we've got a dark gray interior. This nice wood grain accent trim. Sunroof. Blind spot assist, heated seats, both driver and passenger, power memory seats on the driver's side. Hopping inside, very low mileage, only 10,942. And we do have a push button ignition. So here is our display loading up, currently showing radio and backup camera. And you can control the display using your command module right down here, switching between different options here and just pushing down to actually select. And you've got the same functions right here on the steering wheel, this little touchpad here, home button, back button, and so on. Now below our display we have our climate controls here, as well as some buttons to access radio and media and whatnot. Analog clock. Opening that up there, we've got a couple of cup holders, USB input for a cell phone or tablet, wireless charging pad here for a cellular device. You've got your different sport modes here, individual, sport plus, sport, comfort, and eco. That'll affect your traction and handling and whatnot. And last but not least, our shifter. So it's a pretty good overview of our interior, but we'll show you the rear seats here next, as well as the trunk. So we've got rear seats, getting that nice wood grain accent trim. There's a quick peek up at the front. And last but not least, we'll come around in the back. We've got our C300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Now, if you're interested in any additional information about this 2019 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.